Hello, welcome to another Cam Does Data. I'm Cam, and today we're going to be doing some SQL on Leetcode.com. So if you come over to Leetcode, you click on Problems, and go right here to SQL 50. You can also go through here and just look at all their problems. They have a lot of stuff that's not SQL. They have all kinds of different programming languages, Python and JavaScript and Java and C++ and a bunch of stuff. So it's easiest just to go right here to SQL 50. You know, where it's crack the SQL interview in 50 questions. And what we're going to do a random one today. So let's roll this. Number 6. That's probably going to be an easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Replace employee ID with the unique identifier. Let's take a look at this. Let me zoom in so you can see it. And it should be good enough for you. If this one's fast enough and easy enough, we'll do another random one, maybe, possibly. So let's replace employee ID with the unique identifier. So we have two tables here, employee and employee UNI, which I assume this is for the unique. Yep, there's the unique ID. So we're going to have to do some kind of join here. Each row of this table contains the ID and the name of an employee in a company. And this is the ID and their unique ID. Combination of columns with unique IDs. Each row of this table contains the ID and the corresponding unique ID of an employee. So write a solution to show the unique ID of each user. If a user does not have a unique ID, replace, just show no. Return the table in any order. All right, so let's look at this. So like this one, ID 1, Alice doesn't have one. Here, Jonathan has one. Jonathan is ID 3. His unique ID is 1. So Alice doesn't have one. Bob doesn't have one. Mir, 11 has one. His 2. Winston has one. His is 3. So you're just replacing it. So this is just a real simple join. So we want unique ID. You can type these out or you can just copy them. Makes it a little easier to make sure you're getting the exact name correctly. I want unique ID and name. Now let me think about how I'm joining. You pretty much just don't want to do a right join ever. You want to do a left join. And because we need these null values here, we're going to be doing like a full outer join. Or a full left join. There's a bunch of different joins. There's a lot of videos out there on joins if you need to brush up on your joins. But let's see, I want to join. So if they don't have a unique ID, leave it null. Okay, so we'll do the employee uni table. I'll just name that U. I like to alias stuff, it just makes it easier. We'll do full outer join. Do you want to do full outer join? We're going to join the employees table. I'll call that E on. Let's see, E.ID equals U.ID. Perfect. And then we're getting the unique ID. Now name is in, nope, name's not in both columns. So I don't need to alias these at all. The only time you ever have to put your name or your alias here is if it's in both columns. Now, ID is in both columns, but I'm not calling or looking for ID up here. Unique ID is only available in this table, and name is only available in this table. Let me think about that. Going from employee U, full left join. So that's going to give me the whole unique ID. I actually want to do that the other way around. Sorry, I want to do that the other way around. So what's happening is full left means the entire left table, which left is your first table. So this entire employees table is going to be included. And then the employee uni, the unique IDs, only the ones that match. So because the entire thing's joined, it's going to force these null values. What do we do here? You have E equals U. I don't think I need to do a full join. I can just do a left join. Yeah, sorry, I didn't need to do a full join. Could just do a left join. I started with full outer join thinking I would want that, but I don't think I really need that. That's where all the columns from both are included, which would, I believe, also work for this, but in this case we only need a left join. Yeah, so basically the entire employee table is going to be included. So all these, Alice, Bob, Mir, Winston, Jonathan, everyone here, and whether they have a unique ID or not. So when this doesn't go through and they don't have a unique ID, their name's still included, but we have no data for this. So it just leaves null. So when you need null, and that's one thing you can ask, if you're doing like a technical interview, you're doing like a SQL questionnaire, like coding interview, you want to ask, do I need to worry about nulls? Do I want them included? Do I want them, taken out? And when you want nulls, you have to think about the order that you join in. And, for a second I had it flipped, but then I realized I don't want the full this because it's only going to give us the matches. I want the full employees because I do want the null values. So let's see, are we running long here? I'll make sure on Leetcode that you push submit, because when you do run, it'll only test against one case. But when you do submit, it'll test against all their test cases. And don't worry about this runtime right here. It looks super slow. I could run this exact same thing again, and it'll be faster, it'll be slower. It's all over the place. So don't really worry too much about the runtime. That's for like other programming languages and stuff, so don't worry about that. And if you want to look at, you can click on solutions here, and this will show you all the community submitted solutions, like SQL left join easy solution. Let's look at this. So he's doing unique ID is unique ID, name. He joined, left join. Yeah, just literally did exactly what we did with slightly different aliases. And he didn't need to alias these. As I talked about, the unique ID is only in the one table and the name is only in the other table. So you don't have to include this. But yeah, that is that. I wonder, that's probably long enough. I'll do another random one of these. You can watch my other SQL videos. You can follow me here on YouTube and subscribe. You can follow me on LinkedIn. The link for that is in the description, and I will include the link for this problem in the description as well. If you want to come here and look at the solutions and go through, there's various other solutions you could look at, like this one, a natural left join, a bunch of other stuff you could come look at. So yeah, other than that, thank you for watching.